Welcome students. So in this video we are going to learn lesson number 10, division of polynomials, practice set 10.1. First sum, divide divide, write the quotient and the remainder. First sum, 21m square divided by 7m. Now here you have to write it in this way. Then on the right hand side, make one column for explanation. Explanation is equal to, now here 7m into what number will give you 21m square. Now first we will do the multiplication. 7 3s are 21. So 3 will come here and now we'll move towards m. Here 1m is there and here you need 2m. So 3 के बाद हमें और एक m ऐड करना है. So m plus m makes m square. So 7m into 3m is equal to 21m square. Same is given in the vertical form and this is in the horizontal form. If you do both the method, well and good. Now here I'll tell you in vertical form. Again write this in this way. Then minus 21m square. Right here 3m is equal to 0. So quotient is equal to 3m and remainder is 0. Next sum, 40a cube divided by minus 10a. Now here again write here in this way, in your division way, and explanation write down. Minus 10a into what number will give you 40a cube. Now first we'll look into this one. 10 numbers will look. Now 10 into how much will give you 40? 10 4s are 40. So here 4 will come definitely. Now next one will move towards a. Now here 1a is there and here 3a means a cube has been asked. So here what will come? A square, because here 1a, so and here a square means 2a, so it makes a cube. Now here signs also is very important to look in the sign. Now here minus is there and here plus you want. If no sign is given, then by default it is plus only. Here no sign is given, so it would be plus on over here. So here minus is given and here plus you want. So minus minus plus. So again you would be adding here minus in 4 before 4. So minus 10a into minus 4a square is equal to 40a cube. Same way you have to write in the vertical form. So what is the remainder you are getting? 0 and the quotient is minus 4a square. Next sum. Minus 48p raised to 4 divided by minus 9p square. Now here explanation write. First write down in this way on the left hand side and in the right hand side write the explanation. Minus 9p cube into what number will give you minus 48p raised to 4. Now here first let us consider this answer as a x. So here I am writing here x, here writing x. So minus 9p square into x is equal to minus 48p raised to 4. Now here find out the value of x. X will remain here only. This minus 9p square will move in the right hand side. Here it is in the multiplication. When it move to right hand side, it will divide with minus 48p raised to 4. So see, this is the next step. X is equal to minus 48p raised to 4 upon minus 9p square. Now here by which number or by which table you can tell, in which table both 9 and 48 comes. 3's table, so 3 3s are 9, here 3 I have wrote, and 3 16s are 48. Now we'll look into p. P is common here, so this p gone, this p gone. So two p's we have cut over here. So what is remaining? P square. So here 16 upon 3, and here I'll tell you minus minus comes plus, 16 upon 3 p square. So the quotient is 16 upon 3 p square, remainder is 0. And in the vertical form, how you will write? See, in this way. Now here minus 48p raised to 4. Again you will write minus 48p raised to 4 because we are dividing minus 9p square with minus 48p raised to 4. So this we got the answer, and here minus and minus will get into plus. So here a common sign of addition is required. So it will get the answer, you will get the answer as 0. That means a remainder as 0, and the question 16 upon 3 p square. Next sum. 40m raised to 5 divided by 30m cube. Now here write in this way and explanation on the right side. So 30m cube minus what number will give you, 30m cube into what number will give you 40m raised to 5. Now again same thing, consider here as x, because see why you are considering here the answer as a x, because here direct division or direct multiplication is not possible. Here you are getting the answer in the fraction form, so you have to consider this answer as a x first, and in this way you have to find out the value of x. Then what is the value of x? Here you got 4 upon 3 m cube, m square. So that is your quotient over here. So let us do 30m cube into x is equal to 40m raised to 5. X will remain as it is. This 30m cube will go in the right hand side. Here it is in multiplication. When it goes to right hand side, it will divide. So now 30 and 40 both comes in the table of 10. 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40. So what is the answer? You got 4 upon 3. Now here m gone. So what is the answer? You got m square. So question is 16 upon 3 p square. Here m will be there. 16 upon 3 m square, and the remainder is 0. Next thing, fifth one, 5x cube minus 3x square divided by x square. Now here in this sum, if you observe, only just one number divided by the other is given, but here in this case two numbers divided by one number is given. So a little change is there in the sum. Again write the explanation on the right hand side and write here first part. Now if you want, you can do both the divisions on one line only, in one step only, but to avoid confusion, it's my advice that do it in the 2 steps, as 2 numbers are there, so 2 steps. So first step, x square into what number will give you 5x cube. Now x means here just simple 1 is there, okay. So 1 into what will give you 5? 1 into 5. So here 5 you will write, and x square into what will give you x cube? X square into just 1x. So x. So you will put it over here in the vertical form. 5x cube minus 5x cube 0. But how? Here in the question you will write 5x. Now this step, this whole you are going to take it on the down, नीचे लेंगे. उसके बाद सेम जो फर्स्ट है ये कॉपी कर लो यहाँ पे. Now x square divide by minus 3x square. Now here this is the second step over here. X square into what number will give you minus 3x square? Here x square means 1. So 1 into what will give you 3? 1 into 3. So here 3 you will write. X square is there and you want x square over here also. So no need to add here anything. Next we'll look into signs. Here plus is given and here minus is there. See here you can see minus is there. So plus minus minus. You want here minus. Then you have to add over here minus sign. Got it? So you will write here minus 3x square and here minus 3x. Whatever answer you are getting over here, see in the boxes, that you have to write as a quotient. See step by step. But so again do the same thing, minus 3x square minus 3x square. So minus minus will come over, add plus, and your remainder will be 0. So in this way your quotient is 5x minus 3 and the remainder is 0. Next sum, 8p cube minus 4p square divided by 2p square. Again the same thing, two numbers are there, so two steps are required. Explanation, write down. 2p square into what number will give you 8p cube. Now here 2 into what will give you 8? 2 4s are 8. So 2 into 4 you will write first over here. Then next thing, p square, and here what is asked? P cube. So one more p you have to add with it. So 2p square into 4p is equal to 8p cube. Write over here 8p cube divided by 2p square. So quotient will be 4p and write over here minus 8p cube. So here 0 will come. Now take this minus 4p square as it is down. Now the second step, 2p square minus 2p square into what number will give you 4p square? Now 2 into what will give you 4? 2 into 2. So just simply write over here 2. Here the sign is of subtraction. We want over here as subtraction. And here addition is given. See, here is addition, here is subtraction. So if we will do here plus minus, then what will come? Minus will come. That's all we need over here. So minus 4p square divided by 2p square, we are getting the quotient as minus 2. Right over here as it is. Now here again this thing to look, minus minus plus. So here remainder is what? 0. The quotient is what? 4p minus 2. The remainder is 0. Thank you students for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with maximum number of your friends.